Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please make sure you do so right now and hit the bell so you can get notified every time I post a new video. So I feel like I haven't done a bun hairstyle video in quite some time, so I decided, hey, why not do a bun hairstyle video? Let's go with that. They say once you put your hair in a bun, you really don't go back until wash day. I believe that is the truth because it's late. I didn't feel like washing my hair, and I didn't feel like doing a wash and go to sleep. Most of the time I do that, but I didn't want that to be the case today. I was just feeling a little lazy. Plus, I needed to film a new video for you guys, so I didn't want to leave you guys without any content. And it's not like I'm going anywhere this week because I actually have to work from home. But, you know, sometimes you do want your hair to look nice or whatnot, but not to go right to sleep. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys my top 3 bun hairstyles. Damn, I am thirsty AF. So this is it, guys. That's all I had for you today. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. These are just some quick bun hairstyles I do right before my wash day when I'm feeling lazy or when I just don't have time to wash my hair and I have to go out. Thank you so much for watching. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please make sure you do so right now. Also hit the like button if you did like this video. Leave your thoughts down below on what you thought of this video and what you would like to see, and also hit that bell so you can get notified every time I post a new video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next Thursday.